just did a bit of vlogs in here and there and everything. And the thing is, I haven't made a good vlog lately yet, and I'm just putting out videos and I started them and I don't finish as usual. So I'm just gonna try to put them up and ram them all and yeah, put them in one video or something, because yeah, I just want to put them up even though they're nonsense. I don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah, I'll just put up all that I have right now, and once I clear, I'll hopefully get those best ones that I prepared all the pandemic season. Also, we've eased down our lockdowns here in Melbourne, so everything's better, everything's fine, and yeah, we've been shooting weddings also. I've been doing live streams. In case you want some live streams, you can just hit me up and we can do a live stream. We can do a same day edit live stream. That's cool. If you've seen that, yeah, it's really cool. Also, I've just had problems with my tripod. This is my best tripod also. I'm just blabbering, I think that I remember. Yeah, this is my best tripod, and this one here got messed up, so I have to order some from Manfrotto. Apparently, it's just the nut at the back, which you could buy on the hardware store. I had replaced before the ones I got from Manfrotto came, and the ones from Manfrotto are still not here. Still waiting for them. Hey guys, I need those stuff. Anyway, yep, that's it. And yeah, I'm just gonna put up all these videos that I have right now, and hopefully in the next few days, once I've cleared everything on my plate here, once I've cleared everything up, I can do most of the quality videos that I can put up. But yeah, I have a lot of things here, just nonsense, quick clips and everything, unfinished vlogs. I just want to put them up. I don't know, it's just me, just want to put it up. I don't know. Yeah, and one of them is Mom's birthday, and yeah, we celebrated over his place. Good food, and the guys were there. So yeah, I'm gonna put up anytime soon, maybe this week, or I don't know. But yeah, I'm trying to wrap up things, and just to update you what's been up. Yeah, I've been using the A7C most of the times. This one here, and this is a 24 mil, but I'm using mainly the 28 mil. I'm kind of loving the light 28 mil for filming and for photography also. Like, just like the 28 mil is just like the GR, which is a very cool camera. This one here is from Sean, and yeah, I'm also using Tamron 70-28 as my wide travel lens. But yeah, I've just acquired the 135 1.8, which is a very cool lens, and I want to have a video about it. But the thing is, there's a lot of videos out there on YouTube, so you can just find them. But I can just discuss a bit of what I've learned. Also, we're using the 35 1.2. Check out the depth of field. That is the 1.2 depth of field. But yeah, that's from Will, and yeah. So for now, I'm just gonna upload what I have here. I'm just videos on my computer which needs to be offloaded, so I'm gonna try to offload them all, and hopefully we'll have better videos in the future. Yeah, stay tuned. Also, thank you, JM, for the haircut. JM the Garda. JM Cuts Hair, Instagram. Maybe down, I'll put the description down below. Yep. Keep on looking at that screen. It's awkward.